So what did we do today?
Make a snowman.
We made a snowman out of what?
Snow.
Why, did it snow today?
Cause it's snow. Cause it's winter today.
It is. Let's look outside and see if we can see. I don't know if you can tell. Let's go look. And it's falling down pretty good, huh?
Yes, it is. And on the porch.
Yep. So what did you do?
I slid down a hill.
You slid down a hill. How?
With a sled.
What kind of sled?
A sled. The garbage can lid.
You went sliding down a hill, didn't you? What you drinking?
Hot cocoa.
Oh, did you get cold out there? What you eating?
I was eating marshmallow.
Oh,
See?
what happened to him?
I ate them.
Is it good, Coco? So you made a snowman outside, huh? Where does... What?
That place over long on the mountain, Santa is there.
Oh,
The
yeah?
North Pole.
In the North Pole? So where does snow come from?
Winter?
From winter? It's coming down pretty good out there. They're saying up to 6 more inches tonight. Yeah.
It's 3 days today.
I think if we get some more snow, we'll have to make a big snowman, huh? So what do you think about the snow?
Good.
That's it?
It's already good. All day I've seen it.
Oh yeah?
One day it was Christmas a long time.
Oh yeah?
Yes, it was. And I get to open my presents.
Oh. So tell me something about snow.
Snow and we need chocolate.
What's that? No, don't pull it out with your fingers. Just drink that marshmallow. Is it hard to get him?
When I drink it, they go way down.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That's too bad, huh? So tell me something about snow. Good, Coco? Boy, it is snowing hard out there.
It's snowing hard out there.
It almost looks like the North Pole, doesn't it?
It's snowing hard out there, friend. And the marshmallows are my friends.
Is that right? How many friends do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What?
11.
11?
12, 13, 18, 19.
I don't think there's that many marshmallows in there. So are you fixing to eat your friends? Is that what you're doing? What else did you do out in the snow?
have two friends.
You only have two friends now?
Yes. Or they eat them.
No. What happened?
I ate them all.
There you go. Have a napkin. Wipe your mouth off. You got chocolate mouth. Chocolate face. There you go. Yeah. Make it chocolate. Not chocolate mouth, but chocolate face, huh? Oh, there you go. Much better, huh? What did you wear when you went out in the snow?
Snow clothes. I was dressed like snow.
So what kind of snow clothes?
Snow.
What'd you wear? And where are you going?
And
Where are you going?
sled and a mittens and a hat. See?
All right then. Well, say bye.
Bye.
You just gonna lay there on the floor? Okay, silly. See you later.